everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you my favorite tanning mousse. I have used this brand of tanning mousse for about a year and a half now, and I absolutely love it. It is called the LOVINGTAN, and the first one that I got was just the Deluxe bronzing mousse, and it looks just like this, and I got it in the shade dark. And I absolutely love it. And I would watch like certain YouTube videos and stuff like that that did review them, and they had their own code. So I got a free mint with that, and it's super like really good quality. It's not going to be messing up on you or tearing or anything like that. It's a really good velvet material, and this is what the inside looks like. And I really like this mitt. I used to use, and I guess I still can use it, but I haven't leaned towards this one anymore because I really do love my LOVINGTAN one. But this one's the Vita Liberata Luxury Tan in the color dark. And that's what that bottle looks like. And this one's the big one. This one is the 12.68 fluid ounce. And I also have it in the shade medium. And it looks like that. And the only thing that I don't like about this mousse is that I love the mousse, but their mitts are like poor quality. For as expensive as it is, I hate these mitts. Look at how they get after you use them. And I don't even tan very often, but whenever I do, I can't use, like this one's I'm gonna chunk it. And look, this one's another one. And it does have the same holes. And I don't know, that's a pain because then it starts leaking out, and then you start staining your hands before you're even gonna tan them and stuff like that. And look, this is my third mitt that I have from them, and they're holy as well. So this one's just like this side's like a little material, and it's not thick at all. It's very thin. And then this is like super cheap as well. It did the job the first few times, but I feel like these are really like disposable mitts because they don't last very long at all. But this one, on the other hand, that comes with the LOVINGTAN is awesome. I've used this one with this entire bottle. See, I'm already out of this one. And I used it the entire time, and it's still like in absolute great condition. Might be a little dirty because I tanned the other day and didn't wash it. But other than that, this one's my absolute favorite mitt. Okay, and this bottle is a lot smaller. They do have a bigger bottle. But see, there's the size reference. This one's much bigger. It stops here. This one's just the lid. But still, you can see that difference. But it lasts a long time if you don't use it every single day. You can pack it on and stuff like that. But I just use it once and then rinse off my excess, and I keep it like that for as long as I want. It does start fading. I used my new tan, I think two or 3 days ago, and I wanted to use it so I could show you this review, but it has faded a little bit, but in person, I think on camera, it looks a lot lighter than what it is in person. In person, it does give you a really beautiful glow, and I love it. I love it. And in my old one, I had dark, and in this one, I got dark as well. So this is what I received in the mail the other day, and you'll get something that looks just like this. And it comes with this one, and it's 4 fluid ounces. That's the one that I chose. They do have a larger one though, and I think it's $59.99, something around there. And this time I got the 2-hour Express Deluxe Bronzing Mousse, and it says professional strength, natural olive color, quick dry, and bronzers. So that's what this one looks like, and this one's my new one, and this one's the one I'm wearing, and I feel like it works just as the same as that one. I always tan at night. So when I wake up in the morning, I've given it plenty of time to actually like stick and stuff like that. I always feel like if I shower too quick, it's gonna rinse off and you know, stuff like that. But other than that, this one works really great. I guess this one's for if it's the morning of a special event and you really need a tan. So you throw this on and in 2 hours you're tan and then you can rinse. But I always like to leave it longer than the 2 hours. So that's why I tan at night. And then it came with this really cute travel size bronze shimmer luminous cream, instant color satin finish natural glow in dark. And that's what that one looks like. And I haven't used that one yet, but I'm really excited to use it. It comes wrapped in this really pretty LOVINGTAN ribbon, and it always comes with this really cute little card, and then they send you a little cute message. Okay, and then I did use my code, and instead of getting another glove mitt that's supposed to be for putting on your tan, I got another one that is tan removing and skin polishing glove. So I guess you use this if your tan is already fading and stuff like that, and you need to really get it off when you're moisturizing and exfoliating and stuff. Exfoliating and stuff like that to get your old tan off because you want to retan. You use this one. So I haven't used this one yet, but this is what that one looks like. And it shows you how to use it and stuff back here. But yeah, I'm really excited to use this one, but I mean, you can't really tell that I have the tan on, but I do. And in person, like I said, it's a lot darker. I am super all in my Bronco gear because we're a few days away from training camp. So I'm wearing my training camp shirt from last year that I went to, and it was so much fun. It was an unbelievable experience. It was my very first time, and it was amazing. Like I'm pretty sure we're gonna go back this year. So if you would like to see a vlog on that, I would super love to bring you along and show you what we experience when we go to that. So just comment down below if you would like to see that. But yeah, I really wanted to share with you this tan. I really, really, really enjoy it. I think that the price point for this little one is really good. And let me see, I have my packing slip. Oh, it doesn't tell me the price. It just tells me what I got. Okay, but I will list everything down below along with my coupon code, LOVINGTAN, all in caps. And you will be able to choose, no, you won't be able to choose which one you want, which it's the mitt or the other one, but you will get the tan removing and skin polishing glove. So either way, it's really good. But I do recommend you get one of these as well. It's amazing. I'm really happy with this one. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I absolutely love this tan. This isn't a sponsored video. But I just had to share it with you guys because this one really is what I use and what I am going to be using. My birthday is this Saturday, and yeah, I am going to definitely re-tan before then, but yeah, I will be letting you know what I did, how it went and stuff like that. So I'm super excited. I'm going to be going out of town and going to hang out and stuff, so it's going to be super fun. So if you would like to, if you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments down below if you've used this before, how you feel about it, what other ones, even from the drugstore, that I am missing. This one is just online. It's not in drugstores yet or anything like that. But yeah, I really enjoy using it, and I hope you will too. So I will see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.